In today's recipe, we are going to be using Jamaica's national fruit to make Jamaica's national dish, Ackee and Saltfish. We're going to be going outside and we're going to be making this on a charcoal grill, adding that additional smoky flavor. Let's strike up our charcoal and let it burn until the flames have died out. Give it a few minutes. When the coals are glowing and gray around the edges, that's when we're going to add our frying pan with oil and allow it to heat up. Add some garlic, onions, and we're going to saute this and allow the onions to become translucent, releasing all this good flavor into the oil. Then we're going to start adding some red and green bell peppers and continue blending all the flavors together and allow it to come up to a light fry. Saute the peppers with the onions, and you want to get a nice crisp firm bite, and you don't want it to be mushy. We're adding some sliced scotch bonnet pepper, and we're going to add just enough to my desired heat level. The smell of the charcoal and the fresh ingredients outdoor is just nostalgic. Let the scotch bonnet marry in the oil before we add our cooked saltfish. The saltfish was boiled and the salt squeezed out before we added it into large chunks, along with some green onions and some fresh tomatoes. Stir this in. When making ackee and saltfish, I like that nice chunkiness of the saltfish. I like to see the saltfish and see all the ackee. Eating ackee and saltfish with yellow yam, you definitely cannot go wrong. Even adding some dumplings on the side. Let's add some black pepper. We're adding a generous amount of black pepper and fold this in. The black pepper pairs well with the ackee and the saltfish. We are using one large tin of ackee. If we had the fresh ackee, it would have been perfect, but we are using what we have. We are just gently folding the ackee in because they break up so easily and then they end up looking like scrambled eggs. And we really don't want that. We want to see everything that we are eating in this Jamaican national dish. For the most part, this ackee and saltfish is done. What will you enjoy this with? Fried plantains maybe? Or some fluffy bakes warm out of the oven? Some boiled yellow yam? Some boiled green bananas? Or even some bami? With a beastly cold glass of morbi to wash this right down. Speaking about morbi, you can check out my recipe for morbi concentrate right on this channel. We have now come to the end of our recipe. If you enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up, a subscribe. Help me to grow my YouTube channel by sharing. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you in another one of my recipes.